what are we doing today? Alright, here at FatKat's Garage, CJ here. You wanna know how to test your lower fucking motor mounts?
That's how you do it.
Oh my god. Just rock the car back and forth. If the motor moves, your motor mounts are gone. I'm over here thinking he's gonna drop his, but them over here, I don't know what's going on. All right, so we're gonna teach Nick here how to drive a stick. It's gonna be on my little project car. Fuck off. He looks nervous as fuck. All right, so like I said, first things first, push in the clutch. All right, now. Oh.
Let get second. He's driving to the ditch. He's driving. Oh, there we go.
Dude, this Mexican that works here said he'd buy me some McDonald's if I let him touch my booty hole. Right over there in that dark corner. Right over there. Crazy.
This is my jam.
That's true, I guess. I'm a little nervous. I'm more nervous than coronavirus. No, don't shake me. Don't!
What? Bro, get out of the street, bro. The light's green, bro. Get out straight. This chick that works here said if I let her touch my booty hole, she give me some pizza. I'm like, bro, that's crazy shit. It happened right over there by that door, right there. Fuck that. Hey, buddy, what are we doing now?
I'm melting snow.
How are we doing?
Put a torch.
Oh, so you're gonna melt this whole hood off?
Why not?
When the Chiefs get their first touchdown in the Super Bowl, fireworks.
KC, baby, that's how we do.
That's how we do.
That's how we do.
Hey, bro. Motherfuckers out here burning leaves in the street, bro. Like, the fuck? Wow. Relax, don't do it when you want to drive through it. Relax, don't do it when the weather's bad. Oh, do a burnout, pussy. Fuck your tires. Why not? All right, little one. Goddamn, son. Hell yeah, new marking on the street. Bring your asses over, fucking mark the streets, claim it yours. A guy at work's like, I was like, what are you doing still here? He's like, oh, I left my keys at my vehicle, it's running and it's locked. And I'm like, bitch, I can fix that. He's like, no, I got someone on the way. I'm like, I can do it. I said, I won't even charge you anything. Got my tools. Got my Chevy antenna. The antenna off my old school Chevy. Hell yeah, bro. Got his shit unlocked. He paid me 15 bucks. I'm like, shit. Yeah, fuck coronavirus. Kids don't care anything about it. Gang of kids. This car's been sitting here for a while though. I wonder what's all up in it. The fuck? Hell yeah, that's how we do in the Ray. That doesn't. If you want. Motherfucker. This dude says, if you let me suck your dick, I'll give you a Happy Meal. And this motherfucker walking right here too. I said, nah, bro. You can't be doing that shit. That's fucking weird. Like always, what are we doing, buddy?
Fixing to die.
It's my virus. I want it now.
Hey, did you like that video? Well, try these videos out. Have you seen this video yet? You have? Try that video. Oh, you've already seen that video? I don't know, replay this video. It's awesome. No, for real, watch one of these other videos. Seriously. The videos.